They don't see me. All these people, none of them see me. But she does. Then she disappears. Once again, I'm not seen. She saw something in me. She came back. Now I can start rebuilding myself. My dreams, her support, my drive. It seems I want her to feel that too. I support her and she starts to rebuild herself. The past gets a hold of us and we can no longer hold on to the future. We crash. The problems are within. Together we can overcome. The strength between us is strong enough to overcome. Now together we become the best we can. But still, my past calls me. She stops me and tells me to focus on how far we've come. They didn't see me, but she taught me to see myself.